Welcome back guys to part 2 of the Christmas series, and in this part we will be making the ultimate leg of lamb. The first stage to creating the ultimate leg of lamb is to use garlic and rosemary in a pestle and mortar and crush them down to release all of the oil so the flavour can be absorbed into the meat. Add extra virgin olive oil to soak up some of the oils released from the rosemary and garlic. Give that leg of lamb a good rub to penetrate all those wonderful rosemary garlicky flavours. Add plenty of coarse salt and lots of ground black pepper to your lamb. You can't really over season it here, so add a good generous amount of salt to maximise the flavour of the final product. I want this lamb to be medium well done, so it's slightly blushing, so I'm going to set my thermometer here to 55 degrees as it will gain 6 or 7 degrees during the resting process. Whack that oven up to 170 degrees Celsius. Let your meat rest for around 20 to 30 minutes minimum. This will keep all the juices inside and give it a beautiful flavour. When the meat has finished resting, use a sharp carving knife to carve the meat. This one here has a beautiful outside which is well done but is slightly pink in the middle, just the way I like it. Finally, to finish off, add some nice flake sea salt over the top, and there it is, one of the best lambs you'll ever taste. Lovely and tender and juicy and crispy on the outside, just the way I like it, medium well. Thanks for watching guys, I really appreciate it. I hope you subscribe to my channel for more content and that you like my videos and share them. Merry Christmas to you all and thank you very much for watching.